So your OmeTV camera is not working. I'm going to show you how you can fix it. But just to be pretty transparent, I want to let you know that this current PC that I'm using is a Asus TUF-F15 and this doesn't have a camera on it. However, I'm going to walk you through all the steps that you need to take to solve this problem. Now, yours will probably look something like this when you try to access OBTV. And if you are not being able to see your camera, then you want to go ahead and, of course, check to see if the camera is allowed in the browser. So you go ahead and if you're using, for example, Chrome, you can look to the upper left next to where you have the address or the website, and you'll find the site setting. So you can click on this and you can go ahead and now allow your camera. In case the camera is not allowed, you can enable it from here and it should now allow you to basically start Home TV and use your camera. You can also access this by once you make these changes, you reload this page here and it's going to reload Ome TV for you and you should see some changes. Again, this is just a computer without a camera, so it will not turn on. Next, you want to click the three dots on the upper right and you want to go down to where it says settings, then click on privacy and security. Then from here, go down to where it says side settings. Basically from here, you want to look under permissions and you will find your camera options. Click on that and set this to side can ask to use my camera and enable this. Next thing you want to do is just ensure that you have the right camera selected under the camera section. So here you have, for example, it's showing me OBS virtual camera. I can click that and I can select something else if I have another type of camera that I want to use. So you want to ensure that the current camera is selected so that it can work. Now, once all this is done, it should work. But in case you're having problems still with OBS, you can go to devices or device manager and you will be able to like check the camera issue with your computer. So I'm going to click, for example, start here and type in device and you can see device manager. I click on it and this is going to open up the device manager where we can look to see if we find camera in the list. In case there's problem, it will already show you over camera that there is some problem with the PC. But if there is none, then it should look just like mine without any issue. Now, if you look under your audio and your output devices and your graphics card, such as your display and so forth, and there's no problem, then you will see, you can assume here that maybe nothing is wrong, at least from this level. But what I'd recommend is that you can go to the official website of your computer and you can probably find device or driver for your camera, or you can type in the model of your PC. For example, I mentioned that I have a Asus TUF. Let me type it in and show you. Asus TUF. Is it F15? So this machine I have, and then I can just say camera driver, something like that, Windows 11. And I can search this up and basically try to find a driver that would, basically work with my PC, right? So I can definitely visit this official website here and I can find drivers that's gonna help with this. And here you can see different kind of drivers for the machine. There is network, there is chipset, can also help with the problem that you're facing with the camera. So you can try this. You can also use the graphics driver as well. These the kind of drivers are gonna help you definitely with your potential issue if you have problem with your camera, or you can do a camera test. So if you are sure that the driver might not be the problem but it's just not working with that app, you can just do a simple camera test. A simple camera test would be to access any other tool that require you to show your face and see if that works, or you can google a simple camera test, right? Camera test online or webcam test online, and it's gonna, we can choose something and it's gonna quickly detect your camera and so forth to see if it actually works. In this case, I'm gonna say test my camera. It's gonna pop up something like this and start to box me to allow, and I'm gonna allow and it will try to test. Again, this is not gonna find anything because this computer doesn't have a camera. But this is gonna kind of help you to isolate where the issue is, but This should definitely help you to basically fix your camera not working on Omi TV. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.